Chiwenga can announce our vote. We don't want that. Go to hell with Chiwenga.
150. What's 110,000?
They can see me, so if I move them.
Voice of God. Now
the voice of the people is the voice of God. We are sending here for Nelson Chamisa. No more for E.G. Mnangagwa. We don't want fictions, we want elections. We want counting our votes.
Where can you get 85,000 in Sumbangala?